Hi guys, in this video I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Explora Ultra Decoder. So inside of the box we've got our remote user manual, we've got your subscriber agreement, you have your actual Explora Ultra box, let's put that aside for now. We've got power supply unit and a HDMI cable. Please note that the power supplies for the Explora Model 1, Model 2, Model 3 also work for the Ultra. We have our remote. Now, on the note of the remote, I just want to do a quick comparison for you guys. So they look almost identical. The key difference is your home button, DSTV button there. So the icons are different. And on the older remotes, it says Show Max over there, where this one says Apps. So it's giving it more of like an Android or an Apple feel in terms of going back to home or going to apps, going to main menu. On the note of the decoder, it's a lot smaller. I have it here compared to a Model 5 decoder, so it's just a little bit bigger than that. Now, in terms of buttons and features, we have our unicable input, we have our gigabit Ethernet port here, we have our RCA outputs. There is no RF modulator, unfortunately. We have optical out as well as coaxial digital audio out, HDMI, up to 4K I might add. We have a USB port and obviously our power supply. The unit does come with a 1 terabyte hard drive, so it should give you quite a lot of space to record on. And in terms of the Wi-Fi connectivity, there is no need to use the USB Wi-Fi dongles now. The unit does come with both 5 gigahertz, 5.8 gigahertz, and 2.4. So it's got both the new standards and the old standards of Wi-Fi. All in all, it's quite a neat little box. And what's really nice is it has Netflix as well as Showmax built into it. If you guys got any questions or comments on the decoder, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with us and we'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.